In this video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp not working on your phone. If WhatsApp is not opening, not verifying, or not working properly on your device, try these methods to resolve the issue. First, uninstall WhatsApp from the phone where it is not working. Make sure the app is completely removed. Next, take out the SIM card from that phone and insert it into another working phone. On that second phone, install WhatsApp and set it up using the same phone number. After setting it up successfully, move the SIM card back into your original phone. Now open WhatsApp again. It should detect your account and give you the option to transfer or restore your chats. Follow the on-screen steps to complete the process. If the issue is still not fixed, try the second method. First, turn off Wi-Fi on your phone and close WhatsApp completely. Then enable airplane mode and leave it on for about 10 minutes. After waiting, turn off airplane mode and reconnect to Wi-Fi. Now reopen WhatsApp and try setting it up again. This can help reset network-related issues that may be causing the problem. After following these steps, WhatsApp should start working properly on your device.